My name is Michelle Beaudrot. I live in West Columbia, South Carolina. When we purchased this home, we had decided to go in and gut the inside of the home, which made me very nervous, knowing that we were going to not only have to do work on the inside of the home, but as well as the outside of the home. We leaned on our salesman, Brian, to kind of guide us into what needed to be done and to help us pick the perfect gutter and roof for our home. We're thoroughly pleased with the outcome. It really added to the home. I knew I could count on Premier Roofing and our salesman Brian to guide us in the right direction. Prior to purchasing this home, we had a home not far from here who we also used Premier Roofing, and they also did work for us for our business. I knew that I would never have to worry about if they were doing something wrong, or was I going to have to come back and second guess my decision. During the tear off of the roof, they did find a few boards were a little wet and rotten, so they replaced it for us in a very timely manner. I was very surprised at how efficient they were. They went above and beyond to our expectations to replacing and taking care of our home. You're not going to find a better roofing company than Premier Roofing. I actually enjoy coming home and just looking at our home, and I'm in awe of how the roofing and the gutters turned out. I'm so excited that we decided to go with Premier Roofing to help us with the exterior of our home. They did such a wonderful job. Their expertise on helping us pick out the right colors, the right roofing. It makes me so excited when I pull up and I just look at our home, and I take so much pride, and this just helped us just top off our forever home.
Premier Roofing, we've got you covered. 803